tryna play me like a new guy, but I'm buzzing in the apple like a fruit fly. I'll be somewhere in Seattle getting neck bone, and I'm really not the one that you should rest on. Uber eat Jamaican to the B&B. All the moves we making, they ain't seeing me. Rooftop bar for the scenery. I give a fuck about a mug and what it mean to me. I'm that saucy little nigga from the middle, man. Told that baby bounce it for me, she gon' dribble that. Got some reefer in the paper, got it mummy wrap. Got no motherfucking minutes for the funny act. Hey, and I put it on Caesars. All I got is certified trumpetas. Charge a couple cool K for the features. It ain't about the money, then you probably can't reach us. Hey, and I put it on mamas. Do it for the soul, for the fam and the commas. Don't act, be chill with the dramas. All you gotta do is be you and be honest. Monastery on the front of middle, man. What you know about it, baby, riddle that. Heard a lot of rapping, very little fact. You the type of nigga that we giggle at. Gold all on my mouth look like a chandelier. I'm about to disappear and make 100 grand appear. I'm about that cash money stunting like my daddy ho. Out in public, let me poke it on the patio. Couple shots of Henny, baby, I'm with anything. And if that nigga run up on me, let the semi sing. I'm playing 2K with that Duce in my double phone. This for my clients, baby, hit me on my other phone. Pinstripe magic jersey like I'm Hardaway. I used to sweat for my money, found a smarter way. I hop out fresher than a bitch, I'm like, what's happening? No, you can't hold me, ho, I'm busting out the packaging. Hey, and I put it on Caesars. All I got is certified trumpetas. Charge a couple cool K for the features. It ain't about the money, then you probably can't reach us. Hey, and I put it on mamas. Do it for the soul, for the fam and the commas. Don't act, be chill with the dramas. All you gotta do is be you and be honest.
Yo.
Yo.
Already started, by the way. What the fuck is this song? USDTHF made a sharp push down before. USDTHF made a sharp push down before. At least I know my mic's fixed. What's quality saying?
A lot better.
Put it in 1080 at the bottom.
Pretty sure it is in 1080. No, it's in 720 actually, but it's clear in 720.
Yeah, sounds good. EU trades just hit the order block. I've not signaled it, but I wasn't 100% confident, so I didn't signal. I'm not taking it.
You're not taking it, no.
It's only a little scalp to be fair, same as GU. Just sent me a little scalp. GU is about to come down and trigger though.
Oh, I need to mark up my levels.
I've got so many levels on gold. Look at that.
We are. Bearish for the week, bullish on the daily.
Bearish for the week, yep. Bullish on the daily, yep.
Maybe a break of.
That's my overall position for the day. That's sell. Sell at 33, down to 08, well 09.
What, sell?
Well, we can't. We keep on struggling to break this 36 level.
Yeah, but I still see it.
We are still bearish, 100% bearish.
You've got a level at 27, I'd say.
Yeah, I know you do. That's
yeah, so you buy up.
No, I'm going SMC for myself from 33 to 08. Obviously, I've also got my levels marked up for support resistance.
Yeah. We didn't end up ending that trade on the 4 hour last night, but it actually played off.
I know, Ollie sent me it, so he missed it. He wasn't confident because it was only a 6 pip bottom wick.
Yeah. I nearly entered on just the previous 30, but obviously it was a new 4 hour candle. But then I also did think it is Asia. There's not much volume in Asia, so the 4 hour candle I was never going to do current.
Right, that's why I didn't enter the EU trade. Nice to see that I was right about not entering that. Hopefully this USD CHF is going to come out now with this strong momentum up and smash through this order block that we've struggled to get through. There's been a sharp projection off that little order block that I drew up.
You got me. You got me. Yeah, I'm currently watching.
Waiting for a little break of character on this NCD card as well. And we're slowly coming up towards entry on CAD CHF. About 27 pips off. perfect 7-6 level there.
Let's see. I'm watching. Oh.
Literally, that order block is perfectly on the 7-8-6 level. Targeting to take out these equal lows.
What hour was that?
Only like 6 point something, 'cause it's a massive stop loss.
Still, it's not bad.
I mean, I could go aggressive with the stop loss and just go order block, but if you look here, this was the high and it's got quite a big wick to fill. So I didn't want it to fill that full wick without, and then come down. Hence the stop loss bigger. But now with the confidence of the 7-8-6 level, it's making me tempted to just go for something like that, like maybe an 8-bit.
We can just signal an aggressive one again, innit?
Yeah. I mean, you could say the TP might be too aggressive as well. But we're actually going off that order block here. Daily order block just before the equal lows. That's nice confluence. Don't get me wrong, there is quite a lot of imbalance to the upside here. But GU miss entry a little bit. What are your GJ levels, by the way?
I'm literally just doing that.
Oh,
right
yes.
now.
So. There we go, GJ. GU. GU's just tapped in. Again, it wasn't a proper signal because it just been like a quick little scalp, like a 50 pip scalp.
Well, I've got my range one. 16489, 164.427.
No, I'm 165 bang on. I'm 1644. If you look 4 hour, I've gone.
You bring it down anyway into your lowest range. You're going off your hourly.
Yeah, I know. That's what I was saying. If you look on the 4 hour, I've gone top of that wick, which incorporates these as well. Because if you look left even further, you've got the top here, rejections all the way up, supports that being used as resistance.
Well, you technically got a fake out on the 8 o'clock candle on the 22nd of July. But you look, it came in, bounced up, bounced, and yeah, it's broke to the downside.
I wouldn't say that's a fake out. Because if you look at the closest support, the closest resistance next to it, it didn't actually break through there. So your actual support line at that time would have been on top of those two candles.
Yeah, I'd say that was your previous range one, but now this has been made. I'd go with this.
No, I'm 6'5" bang on with mine.
And then you got another similar bit lower down at 163 to 1636 to 16312. But they're my levels. I'm happy with them, to be honest.
Right, GU's had his rejection now.
Did you see CHF just bounce back off that order block?
Yeah. Wait, the order block to the downside has bounced back up, yeah. So as soon as we break this high here, we can move stop loss to break even, knowing that we shouldn't break back below there.
Yeah. They're not going to get any closures anyway.
No, yeah. That's what I was just making sure that I'm not going to miss anything.
I am chilling.
Yeah, Joe, do you want to I'll send an announcement out. Do you want to put it on the TikTok and Instagram that we're streaming all day?
Yeah, you can do.
anything you want about me. I ain't tripping, that don't make it fat. Look, coming live from the gutter like a cold puddle. When water whipping road shuttle. Your whole huddle Dutch moving slow. I'm feeling like the minute hand. All wishes granted to me. Turning in a tenant van. Been a man, never question nothing that was in the plan. See it from my third eye vision, so I understand. Poolside plotting moves like a dance team. 100 band scheme in the dirty with my hands clean. Never been the type of take a cash straight. 5th grade, I was selling candy to my classmates. I ain't call her back, I let her think about the last date. Student of the game.
Might have had the little rejection off GBUSD now, showing that demand's still in demand, if that makes sense.
Yeah.
We've gathered a lot of liquidity here. There's a lot of liquidity under that line there. That's a really nice setup.
We're looking at, sorry.
Your NZD.
What you got? What RR's this?
11. It's a long-term move. It's 260 pip move, but it's a 4-hour wyckoff setup.
Is it?
Rejection off the spring. However, if we're rejecting off the spring, we could make a UTAD, so I'm going to wait for confirmation before sending, which is hence why I've not sent it yet. Because it is a spring, as soon as we take out this liquidity, we should head down into this zone. But I'd want something to happen like that. So we should retap into the spring, but we could make a UTAD. Which means we could come below the spring, push back up, and then retap the spring of the accumulation before pushing to the upside. But once we take out this liquidity, we should see some sort of movement down here. I mean, to be fair though, we could even react off this level here. Oh. That order block there. Daily we are still actually bullish. Weekly will be bearish, yeah. Have we made a bottom wick on that weekly? I can't even see. Can't even see if we've made a bottom wick on the weekly. Yeah, we have. But Joe, realistically we could even be targeting further up. Like, to take out this liquidity around here.
One sec.
Be a very long term trade that.
About 5 days.
More
Longer.
than that, yeah, more than that. It's because we've had such a sharp move to the downside. That's like a 17. To get to around our entry, it's about a 20-day trade. So once again, we'll be taking that back up and going off that order block there. Right, we didn't get a nice reaction on GU, so I'm going to close this at break even when we push back up. Unless we get a sharp reaction here now. If we get a sharp reaction, I'd like to go on the 30-second time frame back out. If we get a sharp reaction off this, I'll hold. If not, it looks like we're going to be coming out to take down this liquidity, this inducement, into a HDF order block.
Well. Oh, it's flying down. Is there an echo on the stream, Joe? No.
Okay, sound.
Well, wait there.
Mute your mic so you can see.
No.
Okay.
Well, wait there. No, there's not.
Just because my mic, like, I can see my mic, like, strength.
Oh.
And I'll show you how to record it, show you. You see how the mic, like, the top one says mic's like flickering.
Sometimes it just does that.
Yeah, I guess. It is quite sensitive, to be fair. We've got a lot of volatility today. Let's just have a quick look at news. I'll get it up for the stream as well.
There you go. Well, I swear it's quite a... I know for USD folders, why?
Right, so let's get this news up and have a look. Forex factory. Oh, right. Consumer confidence at 3. So I'd like to be definitely active for that because that's going to have a lot of volatility. JPY came out strong, which is why we're seeing a bit of bullish momentum, I think. Oh no, it's not really moved much. Yeah, tomorrow's going to be a day for news. Tomorrow's an insane day for news, but I won't be on. It's my sister's birthday, so... I mean, I could probably get on for I could probably get on for a London stream. If you want to get on for a London stream, I'll probably get on until about 12 tomorrow. Like 8 till 12, or even if you wanted to, I could go 6 till 12. And get the full London. Yeah, a little lightweight, aren't you? Can't make your money. Gotta be awake to make money. How are you? Oh yeah, you are until 10, aren't you? But you're on 310 or are you on a 510? Thursday again, it's an okay day for news. And Friday, Jesus, there's a lot of news. Oh, because I need to copy them over. I can do that actually quick now. There you go. Copied over. Yeah, we could get sold. I mean, to be fair, let's look at previous price action. Closing in this zone. Because obviously I've got bars above, but we closed in the zone, we faked out, pushed back into the zone and had a nice like fake out down. It's not the cleanest price action down, but I mean we are getting it every time we close below. That was a perfect play, wow. Yeah, every time we've closed below, to be fair, apart from here, we've had quite nice price action to the downside. So I might look for sells. Yeah. Are you looking at the stream? Look at the stream quick. Look at the stream quick. If you look where every time we've closed below, apart from here, closure below, closure below, closure below, closure below, we've always come down to this zone. So I'm actually going to change that to sells below. Yeah. I mean, you go off 15. We're about to get a 15 closure. But if we're going off 15, I'm going to move my level down to 6-4, 330. If you go on the 50, if we're going off the 15 minute, look at the last support of the 15 minute. I guess, yeah. But it's better to have the extra confluence. Be more certain. Yeah, that's true. It's more likely to be off at 30, isn't it, to be fair? Let's have a look what's going on over here. Oh shit, GU's not gone very well. We're still not out yet, we've rejected. USD CHF still can't break that level. We've come back into the order block. I think I'm going to move stop loss to break even on USD CHF. Just in case we do push down even further. I don't want it to come down. It looks like we can't break through this level still. This order block, which shows that supply is in control. Even though we're bullish on the shorter time frames, overall still looks like supply is in control. So yeah, I'm going to move stop loss to break even. Risk management's key. Yeah. I was also speaking to one of my mates last night, Joe, on Discord, and after you'd gone off, I was just lying in bed texting him, and he said he's actually looking for sells on USD CHF, which is why it's even more so me thinking go with break even just in case. Yeah, GU's been stopped out unfortunately. That's a -1. No, no, no. Yeah, exactly. If I'm not 100% confident, I'm not going to put them in there. Because it looks like, to be fair, my analysis is still correct. Not with them two order blocks, but what's happening is it's coming down to take out this inducement down here. Theoretically, if you go on the 4 hour and look at the previous swing, this should be a key level. No, it's not actually. Right, USD CHF. What time did we actually enter that trade last night? I'm not saying that this is definitely going to come in at stop loss because we're still rejecting off this strong order block every time. But I'm just taking the precaution that what's doing my head in now. Have you moved yours? Just break even, Joe. Good, good. Here we go. We've got the closure below. Looks like it's going to happen. Yeah. We're still pushing down. Not strong, but we're still pushing down, which is nice. I might move my level down again, just a bit lower from the 30-minute. Again, just to cover those previous previous lows. Yeah, yeah, bodies. What are you 4 and 4? Yeah, well. Yeah, pretty much the same then. I'm actually, just whilst we do that, I'm just going to add another chart on JPY and see if I can see any confluences elsewhere. You know, for sells. So we've tapped into this 15-minute order block here. Rejected strong. Let's have a quick peek on the 1 hour. Tapped into this 1 hour order block. Rejected. Did that 1 hour tap into this 1 hour? No, not quite. We do actually have a 4 hour order block here, which concerns me if we are entering sells. Let's have a look on the daily. Daily have made a nice top wick, like you say. Weekly, it's not too bad. If we can break below this level here before the half hour close, I'd be happy even further to take sells. But as soon as we break this level, it's going to be insanely bearish. 287, because we've made a double bottom. So there's quite a lot of liquidity below there. And then final target, I'd be targeting, I don't know what level we do have on the other chart, but I'd probably be targeting 163,281. I'm going to be targeting. Oh, it looks like we've just come down and hit break even on USD-CHF, yep. Let me just make sure I have been tapped. Oh no, I've not been tapped out yet. Then you've got this 1 minute order block that got tapped. Respected. One-minute shock. Oh, that's black. This would be the sell that I'd be looking for. Based off the lower time frames. We do have a double top there, which scares me. But no, I'm obviously going off SMC rather than going off. Yeah, we've closed to break even on USD-CHF. I sort of expected that to happen. 15.12 overall RR now. Let me just update that. You know USD CHF from last night? The other one where we closed the partials before. Yeah, because it's just updated because I've just put it as where we finished. RR needs to be updated to 15.12 R. What's the scalp win rate? Has that changed? Just whilst I'm updating. No, still bang on 80%. And total pips 320. And I need to make a little thing, don't I, really? Overall pips. Doesn't look like we're going to get the closure below at this rate. For me, anyway. I mean, we could do still. It's man's on the line now. There we go, it's just broken through. Whoa, why's it a percentage? Feck off. There we go, pip count sorted now. Let's get a nice little blue colour. Finally, let's go red. What colour do we go, Joe? Come on. I like you. There you go, that'll do. There we go, we got the closure below. We just need a top wick to be created now. I'd like the top wick quite big though, to be fair. Like a 30 pip top wick. No, I was meaning this, if I'm going off SMC, I need like a 30 pip top wick. Like a 45 pip top wick even. Are you going previous 30? Yeah. And I would also recommend going break of the lows, not flip of the candle. Because of how close the flip of the candle is to the resistance. No, if you're going previous, you don't need a big enough top wick, it's fine. I guess. That's what I'm sort of expecting. I'd be going to break even also, just so you know, after 37 pips. I mean, you could go to the body 108, yeah. Off the resistance, yeah. Yeah. You know what I may do? Precautionary. Go off that level there. It's only an extra 6 pips, yeah, that's what I'm doing. Yeah. One to three I've got. With 32 pip stops. And I'm setting that trade now. My internet's just messed up. Can you slow me or? Oh, great. Hello, can you slow me? My internet just went down. There we go, I've got my limit set though. I'm not active though. Me? No, not yet. I'm adding an extra pip quick. So it goes to 8, so. Oh. Oh. There we go, I'm in. Did you signal? No. Fuck's sake. I thought you were signaling man. What do you mean changed it on the dot? I've had that for like last 5 minutes waiting for it. I had the thingy placed. Oh, I changed it by a pip, yeah. Only for spreads though. It's still 6 pip top wick though. 6.6 pip top wick it was. Which on GJ is probably enough. Yeah, I guess, yeah. Uh, 108, yeah. We actually could have got a sell on gold as well. We closed below my level. My level was 24.14. $24.14. We're actually using hourly candle stops as well, which is quite nice, to be fair. On this GJ. So obviously if mine doesn't come down to break even, or in the next hour, on the close of the hourly we still close below, we could just get an hourly, use previous hour again, and just get pretty much the same trade as what I'm in right now, but based off the hourly candle. You might even get a bit of a smaller stop loss. If you look at GJ, Joe, on the 4 hour, we've actually flipped trend. So we were bullish. We've flipped bearish now. So theoretically, I might leave a runner all the way down. Like 240 pips. After I've closed like maybe 80% at my TP that I'm at now. Could leave a runner down to 618584. Yeah. No. Well, yes, sorry, yes, sorry, yeah. Yeah. Right. Yeah. I'm just gonna quit. You're running get a drink. I'll be back in a minute.
What they say on the outside. Slaughter around the city with my day one niggas. I ain't gotta worry cause they A1.
Yeah.
Wasn't in the field and you can't come with us. My little shawty going stupid, going straight dumb with us. I'm a big time nigga still.
How many pips has it fell? It's fell.
Positive on nothing but the good. When I'm on vacation, I be stunting like I should. Got a real queen falling, she gon' stumble on the wood.
7 from his entry.
And I know that if I got it, I'ma cover them. And I know that if
Would have been
gon' give it back. Gotta practice what you
14 from my entry. If we react up to that level again, I'd probably move BE, take 50, just on the safe side.
Right, okay, I'm back. I'm just gonna set an alert for when it's going to break even.
When I ask them how they doing, it ain't never great. So I be focused on the money, need a better rate. Baby girl eating veggies, doing yoga at the crib. Swimming in the winter, don't get cold where I live. Still the same number, if you got it, you can hit me. Pull up to the park, I'ma match you on a sticky. I ain't tryna be nobody, I ain't gotta be. 100 bands up, shopping at the Dollar Tree. Never been a type that gotta act, gotta lie. I just go and get the bread and bring it back to the tribe. Seem like every
Yeah, makes it close on gold here.
you can make change, don't change for that. Tell the whole truth, get paid for that. Bet you never fall
In
off,
16 minutes.
you gotta be who you really be, shine from the inside.
Yeah, sell to there, yeah.
Niggas ain't really who they say on the outside. You gotta be who you really be, shine from the inside. Cause niggas ain't really who they say on the outside. Ay, ay. Seem like every captain gotta maintain the cap. You can make change, don't change for that. Tell the whole truth, get paid for that. Bet you never fall off, you was made for that. You gotta be who you really be, shine from the inside. Cause they ain't really who they say on the outside. You gotta be who you really be, shine from the inside.
Right, your AUD just tapped into my order block. I'm rejected perfectly.
Slaughter on the city with my day one. I ain't gotta worry cause they A1. Wasn't in the field then you can't come with us. My little shawty going stupid, going straight dumb.
Is that the one you're signalling or not?
Still humble in the hood.
What?
Gotta keep it positive.
Is that the one you're signalling?
Nah, well, I've got a few that I've got lined up ready.
Real queen falling, she gon' stumble on the wood. And I still be doing business with my brother down. And I know that if I got it, I'ma cover down. And I know that if I need it, they
But I've had that marked up, look, since here. Are you still looking at the stream?
I am looking at the stream right now.
I had that marked up before it's tap into this block and come down.
Bounce off.
So it's bounced off.
I want to come back and have a change character.
Yeah, so I'm waiting for this change of character, yeah. And then, I mean, in theory I should really wait for that change of character up there. Because that's a stronger level. But once this liquidity has been taken, we'll probably see it all in one move. We've already had the 1 minute. So if you wanted to go for a 1 minute change and be a bit more aggressive, you already had it. And you've technically had 2 1.
When I ask them how they doing, it ain't never great. So I be focused on the money, need a better rate. Baby girl eating veggies, doing yoga at the crib. Swimming in the winter, don't get cold where I live. Still the same number, if you got it, you can hit me. Pull up to the park, I'ma match you on a sticky. I ain't tryna be nobody, I ain't gotta be. 100 bands up, shopping at the Dollar Tree. Never been a type that gotta act, gotta lie. I just go and get the bread and bring it back to the tribe. Seem like every captain gotta maintain the cap. You can make change, don't change for that. Tell the whole truth, get paid for that. Bet you never fall off, you was made for that. You gotta be who you really be, shine from the inside. Cause they ain't really who they say on the outside. You gotta be who you really
We are still heavily bearish, that's the only bad thing.
they ain't really who they say on the outside.
Dense trend. on gold. Push a bit.
Right, you could say I've taken out those equal lows now, which is nice on Euro cards. No, USD cards, sorry. So if we see a break here. Could be a trade on the cards.
Decent.
Oh, UJ is just not being very nice at it. UJ is normally one of my favourite pairs to trade. I mean, it's rejected down, started the uptrend, I guess. Which is quite nice to see. But there's just nothing really. I guess you could see something like that happen.
So I like that range one on gold, but I could also move it lower to be like more. It's just not like.
Yeah, mine's 21.13.
Yeah, but you also seen the level about 16.
Yeah, I've got one at 14. That'll be my TP. Well, first TP. 70 pips.
Where's your level? 21.
1-3.
Oh, you're going bottom of that body wick. See, I moved mine just lower to that wick, and then them two bodies. That's where mine is.
I would say, if you're not certain, then I'd go off the GJ trade that we're a lot more certain on.
No, this new 4 hour might. I prefer taking gold trades, 100%.
Yeah, but
I'll see if I get my closure. I think the GJ trade might have been gone in a sense.
if we close back into the range here on this hour, I'm gonna close 50% of my position as a loss.
Minimise your losses.
Oh, my throat's sore. Yeah. If we close back into the range. I'm not saying that we're gonna, but if we do. It's a bit fucking deep, that song. It's a bit too trappy. See, yeah, we've just got a sharp bullish spike. We're still in the range, but a next candle come up. Oh, next candle come up. Make a top wick maybe about here, and then start to see downwards pressure. Oh shit! Do we need to do that? Redo.
One reason why so far I didn't take this trade is because of the top wick.
Yeah. What news did I miss out on last night? Matty's just starting saying UF profit. I've just woke up.
Like, are you in profit?
No, like USD CHF.
Oh. Where did it go after BE?
Just went back up. I thought I did say that was going to happen. I put it in the chat saying that's probably what's going to happen. But I wanted to take precaution.
You already took partials, anyway.
Yeah, exactly.
Yeah, it looks like you ain't getting your closure on gold.
No. GJ's looking okay there right now.
Eventually, yeah.
Yeah, Matty's just closed his in profit. So we could see a wick fill now. If we break the break-even level of the trade, like the entry level, we could see a wick fill down to here before the last, literally in the last minute of this candle. And if we see that, that's perfect for me. And perfect for you, because then you should see a top wick big enough. You should see about a 20 pip top wick to the range. If we do get this wick fill, which would be nice.
Bounced off stop loss perfectly.
Yeah. Like, on this candle, see it come down to here. Next candle, wick up to here. Then start the bearish momentum.
Current 30 is only 15 pips stop loss.
Yeah, true. As long as this candle doesn't flip bullish now in the last 10 seconds. Yeah, there we go. I'm happy to keep this position open now. I could technically move my stop loss to here if I wanted to, but I'm not gonna. I'm gonna keep it at the 33 pip mark. You're gonna get about a 8 pip, 9 pip top wick now, I think. Reject off the support level like this one did. No, the resistance level, sorry. And then start pressing down. So I'm gonna get ready to put the signal in if we do get a top wick.
One.
Do you reckon I should do break of the previous 30 lows? Like that wick, where we wicked out to last time, or break of the candle lows? Which would be the same entry as mine, pretty much.
Possibly the candle. That's what I'll be looking at.
I'll just do same entry as mine and just count for spreads.
Saying that, it's like a 6 hour, I don't know. You could do the lows actually. Could do the lows.
Yeah,
Current
212. Stop loss at previous.
loss.
No, previous. Previous 30.
You could do current.
We've not got the top wick though yet, I suppose, but.
Yeah, but that's 22. It's on 13, but it's coming down to the bottom.
What, the current now? What we're on?
Yeah.
So 13, okay. See if I can feckin' signal this in time. There we go.
See if we enter here. Stop loss at 164, 105. Like move to break even, I mean.
108, yeah.
Let's see if we enter here.
Oh, now this is going to confuse me because I've got a different position, don't I? Fuck's sake. Let me get my position back on the screen so I can see how much profit I'm in. Because I've got a bit more profit.
That wouldn't have been bad wick filling.
277 was my entry here. And it was previous 30 highs. Right there. And it was...
Right, I've been slipped, but I'm in.
That's not slipped. I'm in profit.
I'm not.
It wasn't a slippage anyway, it was just... a slip is when your entry is at a certain price.
Yeah, and it enters a bit lower.
Yeah, but you've not been slipped. 212 your entry should have been.
Very minimal.
Yeah.
But I'm not in profit.
There's the two positions on screen anyway.
That spreads a...
Yeah, we're just breaking lows, that's nice. I'm going to add this to the spreadsheet quick. Oops. You could have technically, if you. No, no, man. Oh, no, that's my position. Fuck, no, man.
May adjust my stop loss. I don't know yet to the top. As I'm using fixed lots anyway, so. Wait, did you say you're editing your stop loss? I may. So I use fixed lots anyway, so it's all my full risk.
Yeah, true, true. Because what I was thinking, if you're doing that, how much extra is it? Actually, like 6.6 pips to previous hourly. I mean, technically, previous 30 minutes to perfect one. If you wanted to go to adjust your stop loss, previous 30.
Oh yeah, previous 30, yeah, will be.
Because you're just above the resistance level.
Yeah, it's like 23 pips.
23 pips, yeah.
I feel like once we make a lower low, we should be at our B level.
Yeah, probably, yeah.
Bit of resistance around here.
I'm going to personally close 50% at break even as well. It's only 17 pips for
your
me.
position's in profit right now.
Yeah, I know, yeah.
Correct, yeah.
Yeah. I entered at 277.
Yeah. Right, here we go. A bit of drive.
Yeah, right now I am in 2.3k profit. Well, let's see a bit of momentum. never mind. Matty's getting on the stream now.
Decent.
It's a very long-term trade, to be fair, if we do go all the way down to TP. Obviously, we'll be closing like 50% here, probably 20% more here, and probably 20% more here, and then leaving a 10% runner. So let me just mark that up. In fact, let me just do it on a different. Oh shit, for fuck's sake. Close 20, and then we'll have a 10% runner. Oh shit, let's do that.
Need a bit of volume. Push down. Get to B level before.
That's
the new
130 pipped.
album. Wait, we've already had the new album.
10%
What am I on? Yeah, how many pips is this move?
The whole move is 250.
Why? Where's your other runner down?
161854. Wait, Matty, what's your entry? I don't know if you've gone off mine or off Joe's. I think he's put a limit at my entry. I'm not 100% sure though.
We would have probably gone off the signal.
Nah, well he said he was gonna. He was in a sell stop on the signal, but then deleted it. And his entry is 212. Yeah, no, it's signal. I don't think it's as active yet.
Why didn't you just put it in?
Oh yeah, it is.
That's not massive, but not.
No, they're not that tight, are they? It's like a pip spread. Well, no, on TradingView it's 2.6 pips, but on MetaTrader it's. Hold on, let me just close my door. It's 0.5 pips tall.
speak a bit.
Oh,
See a
I
nice
have my
push.
mic on mute. I need to keep it on the mute because the Hoover's on. I don't know if can you hear it? The Hoover.
No.
Oh, the stream can't. Hold on.
Right, go on. Let's make some lower lows. Come on. 164,105 is what I'm moving BE and 50%. Stop loss BE, taking 50%. Cool. Let's see a push.
Right, I can actually speak now. There we go. Alright, let's get this push now. I just marked up USD CAD as well. Just whilst being stuck there.
Oh, yeah.
Matty said Joe freestyle.
It's too early in the morning for that.
You can't even hear the music to freestyle, can you?
No.
Because it's just music with no words at the minute. Here we go, getting a nice push. Just slowly making lower lows. We're definitely bearish now. So I'm comfortable with the position as soon as I go to break even. Even more so now that this 15-minute rejected off my entry. Oh no, we're back up. That's not what we wanted to see.
That's a new 5-minute top wick.
USD CAD's allowed to break this. That's nice.
Oh, here's a question. Do you always move your stop loss first?
I move.
Or do you
I know that is a good question. To be fair, I personally move stop loss before break even. No, yeah, move stop loss before closing position.
Yeah.
Because then you're minimising your risk. It doesn't matter how much profit you make as long as you're minimising your risk. As long as you're not losing money, it doesn't matter how much profit you make, in my opinion.
Some profit. Profit's profit.
But even if it just hits stop, if it hits your break even point before you've even closed, you've still not lost any money, so you're just on to your next trade. Whereas if you close half and then it spikes up randomly because of news or whatever, and then you hit stop loss, you're going to lose more than you gained.
And you can't take your stop loss out. If you
Yeah, exactly. Why is my throat going so weird? USD CAD's about to break this level, which is nice. Nice confidence for taking out the lows here. Taking out the induced liquidity. Pushed up. Breaking these lows. Breaking these highs. Hopefully something like that. And then a nice entry around this level. My throat's doing my head in right now. It's like, it feels like something's stuck, but even when I cough, it won't like get rid of it. Not me. $20 pip stop loss would be nice on there.
Right. Let's form some lower lows. Come on. But once we break the 105 level, we should.
No, yeah, we should just keep driving. At this point, it's making me hesitant to move my stop loss to break even because of how fluctuant we are between our entry levels and...
Yeah, I know what you mean. There we go.
Here we go, we're driving. There we go, stop loss to break even. And close 50%. There we go. It's profit secured at, for me, that was 17 pips.
Yep. So that's a W already.
Yep.
We take that.
Stop loss to break even on both positions. And now next target is another 45 pips.
Risk-free trade now, so you don't really have to monitor it.
Yep.
It hits BE, it hits BE, but you've taken profits now anyway. So.
USD CAD's looking nice. It's just broken that level.
What I'll say is that we may want to see a bit of a push this last 5 minutes. So then hopefully the new 30-minute wick doesn't hit our BE and we can carry on going down. That's what I'd like to see.
Yeah, I'd like it to break this wick level here in these last 5 if it can. I'm not saying it's going to because that's quite a big push.
Yeah.
But it'd be nice to break there for the confirmation so we can just come back up. We've got like then a 25 pip range that we could break before hitting break even.
Yeah.
It's a nice profit secured though already.
Decent.
Oh, my dog's doing my head in.
All these opportunities were just across the bridge. The world was more than twice the size, and now I was a kid. Traded in the comfort zone for life, I'm on the edge. I was gaining all my dreams, holding tightly to the pledge to myself. Was quick to move, was waist deep in the sand. We was starving to beat off all the seeds that we planted. Somewhere back a couple of years in the attic, I almost just a plan. To ship the work to the label back when the bars were bland. Man, on my word, though I followed through on prior engagement. The tip of my tongue not far from the innovation. Now it's mine for the taking. Tell the people mistaking me for somebody to toy with the plug, the ox to play me. Time was paralyzed, I felt the strain to stretch my lungs. Confidence depleted right along with all the funds.
Those days it was less about the bread that we obtained. No other way to slice it. I was scraping by on crumbs, but I loved the feeling the odds against me. Couldn't tell me that I wouldn't get it. I wanted plenty. I was quick to defend me. Feeling surrounded by angels, demons on rare occasion. Trying to shake the momentum. Soon as I find a cadence, leave it all on the record. If it's my only reference, shocked how the bar's been electric. You could tell that they felt it. Pushing the weight of the world while they sound all the fresh. Forcing the fame in my favor. Kick back and watch the scale tip. More than just all in a day. Spend time with the struggle.
Nice, we're trying to make lower lows here. Trying to keep trying to break.
If I lose it, then reunite. Will I break the promise to stay the same?
Lie to me, tell me that you'll be there for me. 'Cause things been feeling crazy lately.
Nice. Going lower.
I don't wanna seem lonely. I don't wanna seem lonely. But I don't wanna be lonely. No.
Not a bad trade. Not a bad trade at all.
2010s, stuck in a place secluded deep in my mind. I'm looking out through the lens. Was in a rush to become who I am. Looking back, then I realized that I do it again. All these unfamiliar faces fade from existence. Back with impeccable time, and I've been forgiven, but I'm never forgetful. I kept it solid and simple, stuck to the rail. My word been a bind, yours artificial. You frequent.
If we push through this little gap here, there's a little bit of resistance, but mate, clean traffic down.
I've had my mic on mute. I was just saying then, as soon as, yeah, like you've just said, as soon as we break through this level now, as soon as we break through this wick level, there's literally zero resistance all the way down to our next level, which is close to 20% level again. There's another 20.
Yep.
This one's for the brodies, I got us. Get 50-50, keep it some of 100, make do what life has got us. Let go away, then put faith in the process, make the most of it. All we got is a time we allotted. Call it how I see it, provide our witness statement. The way things were gone, I'm all in on the table. They made the plan for their night, I made the long-term arrangement. To take it up to a peak that we no longer afraid of. I just wanna be your everything.
I was happy I waited for the next entry.
But it was just a confirmation.
Did play off.
Yeah, no, I get you. I get you.
I wasn't sticking to the strategy because obviously you like entering off them bottom wicks, but obviously like
Yeah,
we don't naturally do that. That's why we didn't signal that one.
yeah.
But
So I need to close 8.5 lots when we get down to here. And that's the 30-minute about to close, which is lovely. As long as we don't retrace past our stop loss to break even level, I'm quite happy with that.
yep.
What do you think I do for the spreadsheet then? You know, because we've closed 17 pips so far at 50%. What do you reckon I do when I close 20%?
We'll start another column.
Do you reckon I add another column though? Now?
We can do. I'll just arrive for a top wick first. Right, top wick, now flip.
We could come out up all the way here, Joe. I can't lie to you.
Yeah.
There's Asian highs to be taken out.
Let's just see.
Why is that messed up?
It's a nice top wick, I'll tell you that so far.
Mhm.
If it flips, looks very promising.
This is doing my head in. This indicator's just not working. It's saying we're still in Asia session and we're just not. Yeah, this thing is broke. I've forgotten what the Nico, yeah. There we go, right, that's better now. Yeah, we need Asia liquidity to be taken out, Joe, up here. So, we might see a full retracement. Oh, USD CHS rocketed. Gutted. It's taking out those highs. Never mind.
That's the one you went.
I went stop loss to break even as precaution. We tapped BE by 2 pips. And now I've just broken highs. Can't complain, we took profit out of it though. USD JPY's about to hit, well, I would have been at break even now on it as well. Would have been another nice trade. Up just over 1-to-1. USD CAD, let's have a look at you.
I need this to flip.
Yeah. I'm not going to look at UCAD right now. Right, hold on, I'm just going to mute whilst I eat some food.
opportunities were just across the bridge. The world was more than twice the size, and now I was a kid. Traded in the comfort zone for life, I'm on the edge. I was gaining all my dreams, holding tightly to the pledge to myself. Was quick to move, was waist deep in the sand. We were starving to beat off all the seeds that we planted. Somewhere back a couple of years in the attic, I almost ditched the plan. The ship to work to the label back when the bars were bland. Man, of my word, though I follow through on prior engagement. The tip of my tongue not far from the innovation. Now it's mine for the taking. Tell the people mistaking me for somebody to toy with, the plug the ox to play me. Time was paralyzed, I felt the strain to stretch my lungs. Confidence depleted right along with all the funds. Those days it was less about the bread that we obtained. No other way to slice it, I was scraping by on crumbs. But I loved the feeling, the odds against me. Couldn't tell me that I wouldn't get it, I wanted plenty. I was quick to defend me.
We needed to flip.
Shake the momentum, soon as I find a cadence. Leave it all on the record, if it's my only reference. Shocked how the bars been electric, you could tell that they felt it. Pushing the weight of the world, why they sound all the frail shit. Forcing the fame in my favor, kick back and watch the scale tip. More than just all in a day. Spend time with the struggle, I know it too well. We going separate ways. See, my biggest fear is the change. If I lose it, then reunite. Will I break the promise to stay the same?
Lie to me, tell me that you'll be there for me. Cause things been feeling crazy lately. Feeling so crazy. And I don't wanna seem lonely. I don't wanna seem lonely.
Does that boost the gold win rate up now?
Did you just seriously ask that question?
Oh, it's not counted as a W yet.
Doesn't it boost the gold win rate up, you weirdo? Only GJ.
GJ should go up quite a bit then. Sense.
Learn through they lackluster love is rooted deep in the evil. Won't tread water lightly, the waves intimidate them. Won't lend my hand much too often, I set the expectation. Now I navigated dolo, unclear on praises you gave. When there's the finest line between jealousy, signs of your vibration. This one's for them calling me crazy, more for the ones that told them pay me no mind. Those were the words that shaped me. What rounded it would appear that I
That's more pips for the month.
Yep. Trade's taken, let me just add that on. Is that the only one we're taking today? Or did I take another one? No, I've been taking that one.
We've only taken this one today.
GPJPY plus 17 pips. Runner active.
Yes. We really need to.
I'm not really too fussed if we don't break, if we come back and hit break even now, because we've already taken partials, so.
Yeah, that's what it is. You've had your plan, you've set it out.
Yeah, exactly, we've stuck to it. I mean, if we do break these lows, that previous wick, then I could see us just coming straight down in like one candle.
What?
Gold's about to have a closure below on the 15.
New York 2 o'clock open.
New York 2 o'clock. New York's 11:30.
Is that the open in New York? Yeah.
11:30, yeah. Well, no, it's 12 actually, but.
Oh, 12. I don't know why I said 2. 12.
Well, it's like it varies between. Some people think it's 12. Some people think it's 1. Because it also depends on British Standard Time and Greenwich time, isn't it?
Yeah.
Greenwich Mean Time, whichever one it is. Greenwich Mean Time it is, isn't it? I think New York actually is. Yeah, because they all open at 8 AM, don't they? And 8 AM New York is 1 PM UK. So it's 1 PM. We're flipped anyway now, which is nice. Just gotta keep driving.
Yeah, we're trying to make lower lows here.
Yeah, need to break this wick, then break the previous wick, and then we'll go.
We actually have a goated signals chat. Can't even lie. we just need the exposure.
We're gonna have a gold closure below on the hourly. I'm not gonna go off the 15. I mean, we could do, but I'm not going to. Because we've already closed below on the 15 and made no top wick on there. So I'm gonna go off the hourly when we...
Yeah, I see that.
That's a 70 pip range.
Literally minimal of breaking these lows. Yeah.
But Ollie's gutted he didn't enter the trade. He's having his trim, isn't he? So
On his haircut, yep.
he's getting on soon though. Are you getting your camera on anyway? I forgot to ask that ages ago.
I was gonna put it on this morning, but mate, I look like death. Like I was like so tired.
No, I've been
How's that?
asleep, mate. I've had a few coffees, that so.
I was there lying down while like obviously trading, like chilling.
Yeah,
But then obviously hitting this trades woke me up a bit.
yeah.
Right, so let's let this 15 make a bit of a top wick. Hope we carry on coming down. Yeah, the only thing is if like looking at gold just on the left, it's a bit choppy. Do you get me?
Yeah.
It's got it. Oh, that 30-minute. Oh no. It's going doji.
What's that?
What? Oh, wait, what am I on about? Anyway, it's a new 15 now. What was that 15? Was that doji 15? Hmm.
Speaking to one of my mates now, he's saying he hates UCAD right now, the setup. I'm gonna mute my Discord actually notifications because it's gonna be doing everyone's head in. Just put myself on Do Not Disturb.
They're in beep. Them bloody
Yeah,
noises.
yeah. I know, it'll be doing everyone's head in.
You don't know what to think of, because obviously last time we closed above this, we shot down
What's that?
on the gold.
Oh, right, yeah. Wait, where was your level? Your level on gold is a bit lower than mine, wasn't it?
We
I
shot down
had 21.13. What was yours?
20.610.
Yeah, so I had the previous 15-minute closure just below, which is why I'm not entering off this 15-minute. But we've got Asian lows to take out.
I'm looking on the half an hour thing.
We've got Asian lows to take out, which is quite nice.
Which just mean like it's quite choppy. It's not clean, just to the left. But do you know what I mean?
Yeah.
still think broken out of a range one because that's very up, down, up,
Let
down,
me
up, down.
yeah, but so for example, closure below here, we shot down. Here we shot down. Here we shot down. Where's the next closures below?
We've got any shut down.
Closure below, we did actually fake out there. There we shot down. Let's just keep looking. It's gonna go on the hourly. I mean, actually, did we fake out then? If I'm going off the hourly, yeah, we faked out here. But again, we've closed below there. If we're trading here, so 20.6, we'll have closed below. Let's have a look if there's any more. Closed below, shot down loads. That was from NFP ages ago. I've traded that myself. Yeah, so the last one, two, wait, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 out of the 6 times we've closed below this level and shot down.
Yeah.
So if that isn't confluence, I don't know what is. I mean, I can keep going back, but
It's just very choppy next to it right now. Like the
yeah, don't
previous
get me wrong.
level.
Yeah.
So
Closed below,
take it
shot
off.
down. So 6 out of 7 times. Six out of 7. 7 out of 8 times. I'm very comfortable taking that.
on
7 out of 8 times. Oh, I'm 100% comfortable taking this trade now looking at this. 8 out of 9. 8 out of, oh there. So 8 out of 10 times. So there's an 80% chance this trade's going to play off looking at previous data. Obviously it's not guaranteed, but looking at previous data.
yeah, we got
On this hourly close,
you,
we come down to 17.14. Run us down to
say-
17.08.
I think it's 16.
Pardon?
I would say 16.
Well, because of yesterday's rejection.
I know it's only like a 25 at me.
We'd have to be going off current then, if we're doing that. To be honest with you, I'd be comfortable going to 15. That's just like, if you look at wicks, they've all tapped. Yeah. 15, I'd be comfortable going to. Leaving maybe a runner to 8.
No, maybe run to about 9, 10. Walk to the left, you got all that. Like, consolidation.
Yeah.
I know it's a through an Asia session, but still. It's a tricky one.
Is that 5-minute OB?
I want to break these lows before a new hourly.
Yeah, it'd be nice, because then we drive down on the new hourly, possibly not even making a top work. Did you get it on the Instagram, by the way?
What's that?
Did you get on the Instagram that we're streaming and that story up?
Yeah. Yeah, man. thought I put it on my main there.
I'm really liking the fact that we've not broken above our stop loss level yet. It's showing nice confidence that we're going to keep on coming down.
Yeah. As long as we don't make a bigger top weight, we should be sound.
Yeah, right, let me just look at GA. Tapped into that daily order block.
Go on, it's about to test these lows again.
We've tapped into here. Rejected. Maybe a 30-minute onion. Not onion, what am I about? Order block.
Rejected for the first time off them lows.
I like that zone the best. But then we've also got to take out highs.
I swear we just broke lows then.
What's that on? GJ?
Yeah.
No, we didn't. Equal.
Not that line.
Equal.
Not on my trading view.
No.
No, my MT4 I mean.
Oh, right. I'm just marking up at the minute, so that's why I'm not really focusing.
Yeah, no, it's on.
GA's got quite a few nice levels. And then to be targeting down here. I think we should look into start incorporating Asian liquidity, you know, into our trades. Because it's really helpful at the minute for me. I'm finding using it to find places where that. Wait, why's my music stopped? Music.
What do you mean? When we look at our golds, look how many times like we just continuous down. They look at gold the other week. We continuous down to about 1600 and what?
Yeah, but
30.
we'll have wicked into it a few times. I'm getting wicked into Asian liquidity. It's not very often that it goes untouched.
Yeah. I kind of get it, but
Have you got the Asian range indicator added on? Throw it on there.
no, I haven't got it.
Because I like this level here.
This needs to say it's a bearish candle on the close.
Take equal lows here. Looks like we're pushing back up again, but it could just be the hourly top wick we're creating. Not the hourly, sorry. Yeah, no, we're not even closed the hourly candle yet. What am I on about? Oh, my head's out of it from marking up charts all day. I mean, if you look at my watch list, that's if you look at my watch list, it is being quite a long day marking up.
Gold still got its closure.
Do we get its closure? Oh yeah, we might do. If we get gold's closure, I'm 100% going for it. GJ is at break even, so I can go for a gold trade without like hesitation.
Yeah, I know what you mean.
I don't need to worry about like moving stop loss to break even on GJ or anything. It's already done, so. Oh, you forgot to tell me to record when we were in the GJ trade, you absolute tit.
Sugar. I even forgot about that.
I'll do it on the gold trade that I enter in a minute. Oh, that coffee is so nice. I need the toilet, so I'm going to quickly run for the toilet whilst I've got this 40 seconds, then we make a top wick on the hourly. So I'll back in a minute.
Cool. We want it to go a bit lower. We may get stopped on a new hourly high. The top wick of the hourly. You got your gold closure?
Right, hello.
Yeah.
Right, yeah, we got the closure play, that's nice. I'm not a fan of going off. Oh, to be fair, we could go off 30-minute flip. No, 30-minute break with the top wick. No, with the stop loss of the 30. Which is just above the zone, which are like 19 pips. But gold never gives a 19 pip.
And it's got no top wick.
Doesn't matter. Because we're driving down, we're not meant to make a top wick, are we? We've got the hourly. It's an hourly trade, but using the 30-minute candle is a stop loss. It is an hourly trade, though. And the hourly head does have the top wick.
I don't know.
I'm obviously not going to rush it. I'm going to see what happens with this top wick first. But
Yeah, I'd want it to come a bit higher. And you have the previous like low.
yeah. The wick break.
Yeah.
So 1900 bang on. I'm going to do.
Right. Coming
In
up.
fact, hold on. What is spreads on gold right now for me?
0.8. 0.8. Pretty sure.
Yeah.
0.8.
0.8 pips. Mine's 1.6. So I'm going to have to go a bit lower than that. That was a 0.2. So I'll have to go to 18.9. No. 18.9. Yeah.
I would like for it to come up to previous 30, like this stock come to previous 30.
Yeah, that'd be nice, I guess. We might get it, to be fair. I'm happy now because it's about, if it rejects now, it's going to reject off my level.
I know what you mean.
So, I'd be comfortable. What even is TP? 15.
I think it rejected right.
Yeah, rejected nicely off there, but I'm not going to send the signal just yet because I'm going to wait for it to flip bearish. Because once we flip bearish, we shouldn't make any higher over top wick.
What's your entry at?
18.9.
Yeah, mine's exactly right.
Only because of spreads. I didn't want it to incorporate. I'm just going to check what it is actually on here. I can actually go for a 9.5 entry. Yeah, I can go for a 9.5 entry on my broker.
Are you recording this one?
I will do, yeah. Wait, should I record now then?
I'm gonna do it, but it has come in.
Well, we'll just go current candle stops. Doesn't have to be
Oh.
30. There we go, we got the rejection anyway for 30. So sell stop's not active yet.
GJ made a nice top wig on the gold. It nearly hit stop loss.
Yeah.
It rejected well.
Previous
so-
current
oh, yeah.
previous 30
Wait,
stops.
Right, I'm gonna set mine now.
No, I'm not yet. Wait, like I said, I'm waiting for candles flip bearish. There we go, flip bearish.
Just stop loss.
What's my stop loss?
Mm.
20.92. Oh my god, all these come short, man.
Is he?
Yeah, have you not seen it?
I've not looked, no. Monitoring GJ as well. We're about to break these lows, come on. Rejected again off that level. We're struggling to break it.
I'm not stressing though. With risk free,
No.
like what more do you want? Risk free at the end of the day.
I'd love to see it break though.
Yeah,
what I
don't
mean.
get me wrong.
I preferred it when it was longer, I'd say.
Did you?
I'd say so. But you proper see his diamond dead now.
Yeah, no, I preferred it shorter.
Do you?
No, like shorter than that.
No, he looks like a cartoon character.
Where the hell's USDCHF gone? Yeah, I'm a bit annoyed at USDCHF. I can't lie.
Not in the trade anymore, so.
No, but it stopped us by 2 pips. Because I wanted to be conservative by moving my stop loss. It's a lesson to be learned in every trade though, isn't it? And that's a lesson. Trust your analysis. Wait until the highs are broken to move stop loss like I was going to.
There's also the same sense of like you'd already moved B anyway.
Yeah,
for
I guess.
partials.
Yeah.
Just slowly taking ranges. If it drives, it drives. You know what I mean, it is what it is.
Here we go, GJ.
Once it breaks this, it's obviously
Yeah,
it's
I know.
clean. It should fly within the next hour to about the 63 zone.
63, yeah, bang on. Well, no, I think it's going to be 63.65, and then we're going to get a bit more consolidation.
Yeah, that's why we'll take more partials.
That's why I'm taking 20% more, yeah.
We've been knocking at the door for the past like 11 minutes here now. It's 11:11. I wish my GJ Schlegel was flying down. Oh,
It's just rejected again.
made.
There we go. Made lower lows.
Oh, it's equal this time for me.
That's lower for me.
Oh, these are equal for me. What are you looking on?
Trading view.
Oh, I'm looking on.
I'm on the trading view.
Don't tell me you're rejecting like that to me.
If you watch it on the 1 minute, make it a bit more entertaining.
Right, there we go.
There we go, that's lower lows. No, it's not. Yes, now
Yeah.
it is. Now it is, now it is, now it is. Now we've just
Yes, man.
rejected.
Yeah, we'll probably go for an old push here again.
At least we're far enough away from entry that it's not scary. You get me?
Did you see how close it came to stop loss?
Yeah, like, well, for yous,
Yeah,
yeah.
really top.
For yous. You were like 4 pips off.
Oh yeah.
I was like 10 off. Just over 10.
That was a bit high. It's good that it's making lower lows though, at least. Gold just playing with my emotions. So I want to break this level at 164. Exactly. That's a level I wanted to break.
What are those numbers? I need to search this up because it's doing my head and I've got it on my notes.
Go.
Psychological level. There we go. It's a psychological level and that's why it's not broken through it. That's what I was looking for the word on. Because it's 164000, it's a psychological level. Banks like to use psychological levels, which is why it's previously rejected off 164 bang on. Here. It's used quite a lot in gold as well. Like 70 and 20 bang on, where we're at right now. It's a psychological level. Struggles to break through them. Like remember that peak we made, it was 1930 bang on and we could not break through it for days.
I can tell, mate. It's I'm literally watching it.
It's bang on 164, isn't it? It's a psychological level, it's hard to get through.
That's unpsychological. Like, out and fucking go through it. Near a big way when it goes through. So she getting bounced back and then just like running at it and headering it again. We should be. I've got a good hourly top wick at the end of the day.
Yeah,
So we've got
yeah.
45 minutes worth at least.
Four-hour candles made a little top wick as well. So we're not stressing for top wicks or anything.
Exactly.
If you really wanted to, I know this isn't part of our plan, but if anybody else really wanted to, they could move stop loss into profit at the close of this hourly.
Yeah.
Well, to the top of the previous, well, when it closes, the top of the previous hourly candle. Stop loss, do you get me? So this current one.
Mine's in profit for a bit of minimum.
Here we go, gold's coming down here. About to be entered.
Let's see what gold has got for us today.
I know.
Where are you going, BE?
18, bang on. Well, 18.04.
I'm in gold.
Yep, I'm in. Wait, what? Why didn't it trigger me?
Oh, really nice profits in gold.
I've just not even been triggered. Hate that. Fuck. And stop loss to break even. Not yet, actually. Not yet. Now, stop loss to break even, close 50%. And that was closed 50% at around here, which was about 20 pips.
I closed full by accident.
That's not bad.
Did you record that?
Yeah.
What a trade. Literally a minute. That was a straight 1%, by the way.
Unreal
So,
trade. Unreal.
1% in literally 10 seconds.
Break even on that trade.
What a trade.
And just let it run. That's 2 trades for the day. Smashed.
2 trades and New York's not even started. We still got 4 more hours of trading.
And let's have a look. What time did we enter that? 11:15, bang on. London session, gold, sell, off the hourly candle, full race, and closed 20 pips already. And GJ has now broken that psychological level. Can we get any better right now?
Mate, what a clip this is right now, man.
That was unreal.
Get on it. Do you know what? What we love to see. Do you know what I mean? We're making profit, you're making profit at the end of the day.
That was a very, very nice trade.
I will be taking another set of partials here on GJ.
No, I'm not just yet.
I didn't take at that level before.
Ah, right, yeah, fair enough. Gutted I didn't get triggered.
Actually, or do I wait for the next resistance?
I'd wait for the
line?
next resistance line. Now we've broken that, it's going to keep going. Matty's nearly passed his account.
Do you know what? Fair enough, Matty. Fun. Do you know what? That's why I trade with the big boys.
Oh yeah, that's why you take signals. Education on stream, signals live, passing accounts left, right, and centre.
Oh, what some trades they were. Look, here we go. We're flying. I'm gonna take. I've just taken some partials there right now. I'm gonna let it run down.
What is that on GJ?
I may look to set a TP now. Actually,
Where's that? I'm leaving my TP all the way down at 6185. It's a long trade. I'm taking it all the way down 235 pips.
but didn't you say we're looking to tap Asian liquidity?
Yeah, I mean, yeah, that's true.
If I was to set a TP that I'd hope to hit soon, it'd probably be 163462.
163184 would be my TP.
Last time we broke into zone, that's where the line we hit and we rejected up.
Yeah, 463.
And
Yeah,
then we did come back down again. And then came.
Yeah.
When they started falling-
yeah,
falling.
that's why I'm going off.
We're
I'm
second
going
range.
off that full trade there, that full move. So he came
Yeah.
down, rejected up, and then came back down. I'm going off that full move though, for my TP. I'll probably hook. I mean, I'm going to close 20% when we get down to 16365. Another 20%, and then close another 20% at the TP that I'm telling you to set now. And then I'm going to leave my 10% runner for another 130 odd pips, or whatever it is. Gold's actually rejected up a little bit now. We might hit break even on gold, but we still took that nice 20% partial, a 20 pip partial.
Oh yeah. We'll see what gold does, but that was an unbelievable catch.
Yeah.
We literally said, we went back. Look, eight out of 10 times it shot down. What did it do within literally 10 seconds?
Yeah.
It shot right down.
And I'm sort of gutted I missed that bit on the stream, on the recording, that I went back and analysed like that. Got it on stream, live on stream.
Yeah.
Go back to see that, clip that.
I'm 10% up for the day so far, and I've still got technically 12%